Hi guys and welcome back to my page. So today I did this nude makeup look. It's simple, it's easy, it's not that time taking as well. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna prep my face using this Clinique spray moisturizer. Second, I'm gonna prep my lips using this Lanyard sleeping mask. Because we are doing nude makeup look, so I don't want my skin look glossy or shiny, so I'm using this matte mattifying primer. So now I'm gonna start my makeup with this Deborah face primer. And today I'm using this Sephora foundation. It's oil free. Now to set my base, I'm using this Fit Me loose powder. Today I'm using this L'Oreal Glam Bronze and I don't want it to go for very dark bronzing, so this is good. Now I'm using this Color Bar blush. So I'm not using it too much because I want a little bronze look. I don't want to look that pink look. So I'm using it very lightly. Not too much. I'm not using it too much. Using this Fit Me loose powder again with my beauty blender. I'm using the same loose powder for baking with my sponge. Moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Brow Artist Xpert and it has spoolie at the back. So I'll comb my brows with this spoolie first and then I'll fill it in. So after filling my brows, again I'm taking this spoolie and I'm gonna comb my brows just to take off any extra product if left. Now I'm taking this concealer palette from Makeup Studio and I'm gonna conceal under my eyebrow just to give it a sharp look. Now I'm going to use this eyelash curler to curl my lashes. Now I'm using this Lancome mascara after curling my lashes. Now I'm done with my eyes and I'm gonna dust off this extra powder. Now coming to the lips, I'm gonna use this lip definer from Color Bar in shade Chocolate Brown. Now I'm gonna fill my lips using this matte brown liquid lipstick. I'm gonna use this Maybelline highlighter. Not too much. Just to give my eyes a little shape, I'm gonna use this Nykaa Black Magic liquid liner just to make a little wing. Now to set my base, I am using this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. So this is the final look. I hope you like it and enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it. So yes, thank you for watching, and if you like it, do comment below and give it a thumbs up. Bye!